Okay, so what letter is this, Moses?
Y.
Y. Letter Y has 4 sounds. Can we say the 4 sounds of Y? Y, E, I, E. Y, E, I, E. Y as in
Yellow.
E as in Jim. I as in
Fly.
fly. E as in
Happy.
happy.
Baby.
And baby. That's right.
Can I?
Go bye, Moses. Save the people. Bye. We crossed the sea safely. All right. Moses has gone to do very important things, but he's also helped us, giving us an example of how we can use this wonderful book, which has over 75 phonograms. It is titled English Phonics Mastering Key Phonograms for Reading and Spelling Success by yours truly. And it starts off with just like an introduction into the language and some science behind the method and how you can keep track of your progress. And they have some beautiful illustrations that you can use as coloring books to keep track of your progress. And it has some little explanations for some of the just details that are attached to some of the phonograms. I absolutely loved putting this together, and it's been such a great tool to use for myself and my son, and I really would want this to help as many children as possible. So do get yourself a copy and let's learn together.